Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Emily Tafsirul Haq. You are viewing my channel Tafsirul World. Today I will tell you how to introduce yourself in English. I hope you will enjoy my video. So let's start. First, I will tell you 15 steps that will be help you to introduce yourself in English. So first, tell your name. My name is Emily Tafsirul Haq. Then tell where are you from. I am from Bangladesh. Then tell the area you are from. I am from Chuadanga. Then you must tell your age. How old you are? I am 13 years old only. You tell the number of members in your family. There are 4 members in my family. They are my father, mother, I, and my younger sister. Then you tell the name of your institute. As I am a student, I read in class 7, and my school name is Victoria Jubilee Government High School, Chuanana. You can say what you do in your spare time. In my spare time, I like to play football with my friends. Then you can tell what your dislikes are. I dislikes fast food. You must tell your hobby. Do you have any hobby? I don't know, but I have a hobby. My hobby is gardening. Then you can tell your favorite subject. My favorite subjects are math and English. You can tell the type of movies you like. I don't know what you like, but I like to see only action movies. You can also tell what is your favorite food. My favorite food is chicken curry. You can also say who is your favorite music artist. I have no music artist, so I can tell you. You can also and must say what is your purpose in life. I have many purpose, but sorry, I can't tell you that. And finally, don't forget to say what you want to be in your life. I want to be an engineer. So guys, by following these tips, you can introduce yourself easily in English. Now, I mean, I want to introduce myself in English without any steps. So let's start. My name is Emily Tafsirul Haq. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Chuadanga. I am only 13 years old. There are 4 members in my family. They are my father, mother, I, and my younger sister. In my spare time, I like to play football. I'm a student. I read in class 7. My school name is Victoria Jubilee Government High School, Chuadanga. I dislike to eat fast food. My hobby is gardening. My favorite subject are math and English. I like to watch many action movies. My favorite music artist. Sorry, I am no music artist, so I can't tell. I have many purpose in my life. But I can't tell you that. Sorry. But in future, I want to be an engineer. Okay, guys. I introduce myself with you. I hope you can understand how to introduce yourself in English. So everyone, that's all for today. Hope you have understood from this video how to introduce yourself in English. If you like my video, please give a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you can get more educational videos in future. And yes, doesn't forget to share. So like today, Allah Hafiz.